All right, guys, we promised you an unboxing today, but I got a quick story for you. In the past, every year we go to SEMA, and it's been a kind of a family joke. SEMA starts the end of October, runs to the beginning of November, and my birthday actually falls in the very beginning of November. And every time somebody would ask what I got for my birthday, my wife would chime in with, oh, I took him to Las Vegas for the SEMA show. So this year we didn't go to the SEMA show. So when somebody asked, what'd your wife get you for Christmas or for your birthday? This is what I found this morning. So apparently I got a motor for my birthday. Anyway, so we got the Blueprint crate motors. Wanted to do a little unboxing with you, show you a little bit about them. Pretty neat setup. We've actually popped the top already here just to speed the process a little bit. And let's see, get this out of the way. Alrighty, let's see what we got here. All right, they do a pretty good job making sure they're safe.
You want to say what this is?
Yeah, this is actually the computer for the fuel injection. They give you computer, all the wiring harness and so on for the sniper system. And we'll kind of go over that a little bit when we get this open. Let me see if we can. It should be that one. Alrighty, now that we made a mess and a lot of noise, okay, so it comes crated in a really nice bag, all sealed up, and they zip tied it. Was not prepared for the zip tie. Let's see if I can get this pulled out of there. Got a cutter there? Needle nose. All right. So it's a 632 cubic inch big block. They come pretty much dressed, at least this particular option. Gives you the distributor, fuel injection, intake balancer, everything on there. Looks really nice. Come around here to the front, Phil. They have their Blueprint logo printed right into the head. Blueprint makes their own heads, they make their own blocks, they make their own crankshafts. Pretty neat setup. See if I can give you some insight on what's in there. So we have, it's rated at 815 horse, 775 foot-pounds of torque. The motor actually pulled, what, 830? 830 and 796 on torque. Compression ratio is 11:1. It's a hydraulic roller, forged crank, forged pistons. It's a brand new block right from Blueprint. It's 4-bolt main, 4.6 bore, 1-piece rear main seal. It has a provision for a mechanical fuel pump, and it is a tall deck. It has a 4.75 stroke, H-beam rods, 6.635 connecting rods, forged pistons and internals. The heads are actually made by Blueprint. It's a 119 cc chamber, 230 intake, 188 exhaust valves, has a 358 cc intake and a 125 cc exhaust runners. The cylinder heads feature a 3 a 0.300 inch raised exhaust port on an OEM casting. Cam type is roller. It is a 698 lift, 272 to 82 duration with a 110 degree lobe separation. It comes with the valve covers, oil pan, timing cover, harmonic balancer. The really cool thing is these motors come with a 30-month, 50,000-mile warranty. It's a pretty good setup. We chose the fuel injection. This is a self-learning fuel injection. It's a Holley sniper system. So it is a pretty good deal. I can't.
Options we can get with this?
A
Starters?
Oh yeah, you can actually get, they have a front drive assembly, whether you want serpentine or V-belt. I actually chose the serpentine system for power steering and alternator for my motor. Bob's truck here, we got the AC system with it as well. It's a really nice polished billet front runner. They also sell a lot of parts there. If you guys are interested, it's kind of hard to beat their price. For example, we got a high torque gear reduction starter, 150 bucks. I mean, it's pretty hard to find a good gear reduction starter for $150. Also ordered the ring gear flex plate for the automatic through them. Again, the prices are really good. Their warranty is really good. And as you can see, it's a pretty motor. I mean, comes that way to your door. Now we ordered 2 of them at the same time, which surprisingly enough, I ordered them on a Friday and we received them the following Friday. So 1 week's time to the door, 2 of them. That's a pretty tall order. But like I said, I mean, everything seems nice. We will do some, some reviews as we're going, some installation videos and some things on the injection and the tuning and things of that nature. But we just kind of wanted to unbox it, let you guys get a good look at it. Phil, if you take a good look, but we'll be back with a little bit more later on. So I hope you enjoyed this, and we'll see you next time.